Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoom on your phone. First, you'll need to download the Zoom app from your device's app store. It's available for both Apple and Android phones. Once installed, either create a new free account or sign in with your existing details. Make sure your phone has a reliable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data, to ensure a smooth experience. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Joining a meeting is straightforward. Simply tap Join and enter the meeting ID and passcode you've received. If you're hosting, you can start a new meeting immediately or schedule one for later. During calls, you have access to many features, including sharing your screen, participating in the chat, and even using fun virtual backgrounds to personalize your appearance. It's designed to be intuitive. Zoom offers robust controls right at your fingertips. You can easily manage your audio by muting or unmuting your microphone and control your video by turning your camera on or off. Within meetings, you can raise your hand to ask a question, use various emoji reactions, and even participate in polls. Don't forget to customize your profile picture and display name for a more personal touch. For the best experience, always keep your Zoom app updated to its latest version. This ensures you have all the newest features and security. Using headphones or earbuds can dramatically improve your audio quality and reduce background noise for everyone. Also, try closing other apps running in the background to free up your phone's resources, leading to smoother performance and better battery life during your calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.